Fly, 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 fly. Funny how the right ones find you when you stop pretending. Funny how your shoulders soften when the heart quit defending. Never had to force the feeling, never had to chase. Love has a funny way of recognizing its own face. Some souls speak without talking. Some lights find each other glowing. Birds of a feather always fly together. So if you're flying high, don't apologize. Birds of a feather find each other weather after weather. Maybe that's how heaven keeps us all connected. Oh, fly, find your people, your people. Fly, fly, you know 'em when you feel 'em, feel 'em. You laugh before the joke lands, sing before the chorus starts. Finish all my sentences like you memorized my heart. Maybe we've been strangers, maybe all along. We just needed time to hear the same song. No competition, only consolation. Different stars, same sky. Birds of a feather always fly together. When the wind gets rough, we rise up together. Birds of a feather never lose the weather. Love keeps lifting every wing that's willing. Ooh, higher, higher, higher. Don't stop flying. You belong, you belong. If you're looking for your people, keep becoming who you are. The ones meant to love you will recognize your heart. No disguise, no performance, no audition, just arrival. Birds of a feather always flock together. Every dream, every color, every season, every weather.